Why do most traders lose money, even after learning indicators, strategies, and chart patterns? The answer is simple. Many traders learn how to enter trades, but very few learn what actually moves the market. Welcome to TradeFlow Hub, where we break down the real forces behind market movement: Forex, macroeconomics, fundamental analysis, geopolitics, risk management, and AI-driven market thinking. Financial markets do not move randomly. Price reacts to information. When new economic data is released, when inflation rises, when central banks change interest rates, or when global uncertainty appears, market expectations change. And when expectations change, price moves. Three major forces shape market behavior. First, macroeconomics. Inflation, growth, employment, and monetary policy influence capital flows. Second, fundamental analysis. Traders watch economic reports, central bank speeches, and major policy decisions. Third, geopolitics. Elections, conflicts, trade tensions, and global uncertainty can change risk sentiment very quickly. Understanding these forces helps traders see beyond short-term chart noise. Even when your analysis is correct, risk management remains essential. No trader controls the market. Professional traders focus on protecting capital, controlling exposure, and staying disciplined over time. In trading, survival creates opportunity. Today, artificial intelligence is changing how traders process information. AI can help organize data, detect patterns, monitor market conditions, and improve decision-making. But AI is not magic. It becomes powerful only when combined with knowledge, discipline, and understanding of market structure. At TradeFlow Hub, we focus on understanding the forces behind price, not chasing random moves. If you want smarter analysis, stronger market understanding, and a better trading mindset, subscribe and join the journey.